Hey, what's up? This is a drawing revamp. I'm taking my little cousin's drawing and I'm remaking it into a typical kind of concept art drawing. And I'm gonna show you the process from beginning to end. I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit for entertainment value, you know, just so you're not bored watching me do the entire thing. And then I am going to commentary over that, what I was thinking when I was redesigning it. So I'm really excited about this. I think it's fun. If you do kind of like this stuff, this remake, this revamp, I might take little kids' drawings and then turn them into full paintings later. I don't know yet. So if you do like this kind of idea, hit that like button so I know exactly what to do more of on this channel. But I'm Enrique, by the way, and this is Easy Things to Draw 101. Let's not waste time. Let's get started, and I'll see you in the comments. Say hi to me. All right, so the first thing I started thinking about was what is this thing? You know, what is the, you know, she was trying to do? And to me, it looks like a squid man with either a helmet on or a kind of like a hat, some kind of like Legend of Zelda hat. So that's pretty much what I was thinking about. I was thinking of more of a Legend of Zelda hat that would stick up a little bit. Seemed a little bit softer. I was toying with the idea of a helmet, but then I thought, I don't know, the hat's better. Probably, I would imagine it goes back and forth between water and land. And in my feeling, the story, I try to imagine the story, because once you imagine the story, the character is a lot easier to design. I was thinking of kind of a, you know, someone goes, you know, a character that goes between land and sea. Kind of like that movie, oh, what is that movie? I can't think of it right now. But maybe on land he uses his hat to kind of shield himself from the sun a little bit. But it doesn't really count for the rest of his body. Maybe it counts for his face, his head. And he's kind of using this hat when he kind of goes on the beach. But then in water, he just kind of just takes it off and just kind of swims regular with his head, with his normal head shape. But, oh, first off, let me talk about the pencil I'm using. The pencil I'm using currently is, I'm using the Nero. It's a Nero, basically it's just a black colored pencil, that's all I can tell. It has a bit of a nice give to it. It's not as shiny as the graphite. A regular pencil will just come out really weird and shiny when you start digging into it. This one you can get a range of values. I'll put the name of the pencil in the description. But also, I want him to have. Oh, another thing about this design, I wanted him to have his whole torso, because I know in her drawing it looks like the legs are coming right out, like it's literally just a squid with a head. But I wanted him to have like an extended kind of body. You know, because he can stand upright. It just wasn't looking right the other way. The design was just not coming out right. Just purely the head with a helmet on it. And I scattered these tentacles everywhere because I wanted it to look a little bit more random, a little bit more natural, and like he's standing on solid surface. One thing composing this page is kind of hard because this character has so many little appendages, you know, the tentacles. It's a little bit weird. I threw some drapery on him as well, which leads to the you know, protecting himself from the sun. It's just him. Maybe they're trying to hide him. If he comes to shore and is curious about people, and he meets somebody, and they want to take him around town, and well, he probably wouldn't be able to hide with the tentacles like that, but maybe they just want to, you know, kick it in the ocean. I mean, kick it by the sea, like by the beach. And another idea I had in my head was probably that just him coming out would eventually, he'd need water, of course, like we all do, but he would really need water. He can only spend a certain amount of time out of water. Maybe he soaks up some moisture in his hat and his clothing as well, in that cloth. Continuing to kind of, you know, push through this. I sped this up about 5 times speed. The design was kind of off the cuff. I was just kind of more or less just thinking about more like, well, how can I make this cool instead of goofy? I was thinking about the mood as well. I want him to look cool. He does kind of look goofy in her drawing, and I was thinking about that, and I was like, should I make this really goofy or not? But I lean toward cool, because honestly that's my own personal opinion. I like cooler stuff, like this kind of shadowy figure, you know, the eyes are shadowy. To what extent are his features sticking out? I made his features very, just not harsh, but very light features, like his nose is small, his mouth is small. And that's kind of it. I mean, it was a pretty simple design. I'm gonna do a lot more of these probably in the future. I'm wondering how to divide up my time when I post. But I had a lot of fun on this. And I'm thinking of one light source again, just to throw that in. I'm thinking of one light source from above coming down. And I am kind of shading the tentacles in the back so they don't distract the viewer. I want the viewer to first look into the dark of the eyes and then look down into the tentacle feet. I'm trying to guide the viewer's eye. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everything. If you guys have any comments, make them in the description. Also, if you guys ever want a free ebook, I give out a free ebook on Patreon when you become a patron. Just immediately you can download it instantly, and all other kinds of stuff, and a free sticker as well when you just put the bare minimum as a patron. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon.